So, good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Maua, Standard 8, Subject English, Semester 2, Unit 3, Points of View. So, my dear students, previously up to activity number 5 we have discussed. Now, today let us discuss activity number 6. Like chaos reigns as traffic rules are ignored. The poem The Blind Man and the Elephant by John Godfrey Saxe shows the point of view of a poet and the points of view of other people that we have seen. Okay, and everyone has a unique point of view. Your point of view is influenced by the type of person you are and your experiences. Now here, how many points of view are shown in the blind man and the elephant? What are they? I have given that in a PDF form. Like first blind man will say that elephant is a like wall. Second one say elephant tusker is like spear. Third one say elephant is like a snake, his tail is like a snake. Fourth one will say that elephant tusker is like snake. Fourth one will say elephant leg is like tree. Fifth one say elephant ear is like fan. Sixth one will say elephant tail is like a rope. Okay, that I have given in PDF. You can see and you can write. Then the three stanzas of the poem are in the poet's point of view and the rest express other points of view. Show the point of view expressed each stanza of the chart. That tick the stanza expression main idea of the poet. Here stanza given, then whose point of view is expressed and tick stanza that express the main idea of the poet. Okay, then first one, the poet, that you can do tick mark. The first blind man, he did not say express the main idea. Second one also did not say, so there you can put dash. Third one also dash. Fourth one also dash. Fifth one also dash. Sixth one also dash. Then eighth one, that is the poet, and the ninth one also poet, that you can do tick mark. Okay, that you can do tick mark. That is not so important, but I have given in PDF. You can see and you can complete. Now activity number 7. In John Godfrey Saxe poem, The Blind Man and the Elephant, which stanza use direct quotation. The direct quotation are given here. That also I have given in a PDF form. Okay, like remember that writing a person ideas in quotation mark shows that a writer is using exact words of a person, and that we have to write into indirect narration. Into indirect narration form we have to make. Okay, then when we write about source, sometimes we want to modify an exact quotation to fit better with our own ideas, or to make the meaning clearer for the readers. When we do this, we use a special punctuation. Some punctuation also we use, punctuation mark also we make to show that words inside the quotation, like double inverted comma we make. Here words inside quotation marks are exact, except here writing a person's ideas in quotation mark shows that the writer is using the exact word of the person which are given into inverted comma. If a writer wants to change the exact word, this must be indicated with the different punctuation, like double inverted comma, comma into double inverted comma. Likewise, some punctuation mark should be there. For example, change in what band said, do you mean that you enjoy, might be shown this way. deleting part of what Ben said, we use ellipsis. Ellipsis we will use. Ellipsis means two dot. Ben asked, comma into double inverted comma. You enjoy it? Adding something to what Ben said, we use bracket. We will use bracket. Ben questioned, do you mean that you enjoy painting the fence? Do you mean in that we will, do you mean that you enjoy painting in that double inverted comma was there? Now double inverted comma remove. And then afterwards simple comma will be there. When there is two dot, then we should understand it is written like said. Then if it is double inverted comma will be removed and a comma will be there, and question mark will become full stop into reported speech. In the poem, 6 stanzas use direct quotation. Choose one direct quotation to rewrite here. First, write the exact words of the direct quotation, okay, that I have given. Then look carefully at the examples. Rewrite the quotation you choose using ellipsis to delete something that you feel not necessary for understanding the meaning. That also I have given. You can see and you can write. Okay, then rewrite the quotation you choose using brackets to add something that will make the meaning clearer for someone who has not read the poem. That also I have given in a PDF. You can see and you can understand. Okay. So my dear student, here we will stop. Okay, this all important point will be asked in your 4th unit test. So you can write in your fair notebook and you can prepare. Okay, so thank you very much. Goodbye. See you later.